Welcome back to this tutorial. In my previous tutorial, I discussed how we can use geometric mean to calculate mean for an ungroup data. But in this tutorial, we want to use geometric mean to calculate the mean for group data. Given the following frequency distribution table, we are going to use all these values here to calculate the geometric mean. Therefore, given this class interval between 50 to 99, we have the frequency of 155, and between 400 to 449, we have the frequency of 5. Therefore, the midpoint is, how we can get this x is that 50 plus 99 divided by 2 is going to give us 74.5. Now, having gotten these values all together, then let's say before I go, the total frequency is 492. Summing all these values together, 155 plus 150 up to plus 5 is going to give us 492. Therefore, we are going to look for this midpoint, which is x. We are going to find the natural log of 75.4, giving us 1.8722. 124.5, the natural log of it gives us 2.0952, and so on up to the last value here, 424.5. the natural log is 2.6270. Having gotten all this value, we are going to apply f log x. In the previous tutorial, we discussed how to calculate the the mean by multiplying f times x, but for the geometric mean method, as long as we are find the natural log of this x, we are going to multiply this x times the log x. That's why we have f log x. When multiplying it, these are the value. 155 times 1.8722 gave us 290.1910. 150 times 2.0952, it gave us this. When after multiplying f log x together and we sum everything together, all these values, 290.1910 plus 314.2800 up to this last number, 13.1395, it gave us this total sum, 1043.3004. Therefore, by applying this formula x bar for the geometric mean, this is the formula. S bar is equal to anti-log. So far we have gotten this log, we are going to look for the anti-log. That's why we have this anti-log into summation f log x all over summation f. Where's our summation f? This total frequency, and we know our summation f log x to be 1043.3004. we are going to put it here. Then our summation f 492, we are going to place it here. X bar is equal to anti-log 1043.3004 all over 492, giving us 2.1205. Then we are going to look for the anti-log of this value. It's going to give us, our x bar is going to be anti-log into 2.1205, giving us 131.9775. Therefore, our S bar is equal to 131.98. We have rounded it up to 2 places of decimal. And in looking for this anti-log of these two, this value, in a calculator, you press the second function over the natural log, and it's going to give us 10x, the second function. Then you open the bracket, then place this value there, 2.1205, after placing it, then you close the bracket, then press equality sign. It's going to give us 131.9775. Thank you very much for listening to this tutorial. If you find value in this tutorial, remember to like it, subscribe to this channel, and share it to reach a wider audience across the globe. Thank you very much.